Alright, so today I'm going to be unboxing a brand new Kaws figure, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to On Go by Chef G and Polo G. Brand new song that just came out, go listen to it. And yeah, let's get into this Kaws figure. Alright, so obviously today we're going to be unboxing a Kaws BFF figure, and I got this in the pink colorway. And as the title says, I actually bought this from Wish for $30. And the reason I bought this figure is because 1, I like Kaws, 2 is the price point, 3 is because I've actually had this figure in hand before, so I can actually realize the differences between this one and the real one. So first things first, I'll put up a picture on the packaging a real one comes in, and this is not it at all. This one just comes in bubble wrap, and then it's just taped at the bottom, so I'm just gonna take this out really fast. Okay, so here it is. First, let's talk about price point. I bought this one for $30, and the real one retails for $280. And that's just retail. Or resale is actually $790 on StockX as of right now. And obviously that will rise over time. And listen, bro, I got money, but like, I ain't trying to spend almost $800 on a little toy that's just gonna sit in my room all day. And normally I'm against buying fakes. None of my shoes, none of my clothes is fake, except for like little toys and shit, just because I don't really care too much about those. I do want to point out that the real one came out in 2018, by the way. My friend actually has the real figure, so I held it in hand, so I can really tell there's a lot of differences. First, I'm gonna talk about the weight. A real one is a lot more heavy than this. I would say it's probably like double the weight. Also, there is a slight color difference. The real one is a little bit more bright. It's not anything crazy, and to be honest, I can only tell because I have seen the real one in hand. Also, on the real one, I believe the nose is a little bit more pinkish than this. This one is more like a cream color. So yeah, pretty much other than that, it's basically the exact same thing. This fake one is actually 13 inches, and then the real one is 13 inches as well. So yeah, you can pretty much find these all over Wish, and if you just want one for your room, man, nobody's gonna tell that it's fake. Just don't be that guy that's like, yeah, it's real, like I swear, and then somebody picks it up and can actually tell that it's fake, and then they tell you, and then you look dumb. Just be straight up with people. And in case you are wondering, you can move the arms, you can move the hands. Hold up, let me move it. Yep, so like you can move the hands, you can move the feet as well. So yeah, pretty much just like the real one. Like, there really isn't too many differences. Obviously, just quality wise, it does feel a lot more cheaply made than the real one, but that's because this one's $30 and the real one is actually $300 retail. So yeah, I'm gonna step back in front of the camera and give you guys my final thoughts on this. All right, so do I think you should go out and buy this figure? In my opinion, if you really want one, yes, just go out and buy it. It's a fake, so just be aware what you're getting into when buying this. Don't expect the best quality, but if you just want something that looks exactly like the original one, just buy this. This one was $30 and I believe $37 after tax and shipping. And I do want to point out, shipping actually did take quite a bit of time, and it was probably because it was coming from China, so that's why. This toy took around 2 weeks to come in. And again, there really isn't too many differences other than the color and the quality. Also, I forgot to mention that real ones normally have Kaws written on both feet, but this one does not. And in case you are wondering, yes, it does stand really good. And in case you are wondering, yes, it does stand perfectly fine and does not fall over. So yeah, if you do want a cheaper alternative, I suggest going out and buying this Kaws figure. Because realistically, let's say somebody does pull up to your room and does see it, they're not going to check the bottom of the foot and see if it's real. And even if it is fake, so what? It doesn't really matter. I would rather spend $30 on realistically a toy that's just going to sit in my room, do nothing, than spend $800 on the same thing. That's just me though. If you want to spend $800 on a toy, go ahead. Who am I to tell you what to spend your money on? And I want to say it again, I don't normally buy fake stuff. Like, all my clothes, all of my shoes are 100% real. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about this Kaws figure. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and thank you for watching. Bye.